Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by getting hardware and accounts ready. Plug in the second controller, sign into a guest or alternate profile, and make sure the game is updated. This prevents profile detection issues. Once done, launch Call of Duty and choose the local play or multiplayer hub. Do not enter an online match yet. You want the lobby active so the game can detect both inputs. If one controller is wireless, make sure it's paired and charged. Now you move into the lobby and add the second player. On the second controller, press the Join button shown on screen, then sign into the chosen profile. The game should split automatically and show both player cards. Once both players appear, set each player's loadout and controller mapping, because misassigned controls cause frustration mid-game. Make sure to check split-screen display settings, horizontal or vertical, so you have the preferred view before starting the match or lobby. Finally, begin the match once both players are showing ready in the lobby. You'll get a split view and independent HUDs. If the second player doesn't appear, repair the controller, sign out and back in, or use a different profile. This usually clears detection conflicts. If you see low frame rate or black bars, reduce resolution or display scaling in options, and restart the game if needed. This often resolves render.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.